Hello everyone. If you're thinking about buying the ARKON mount's remarkable Creator Cookie Decorator, overhead phone mount and Pico projector mount for video recording, vlogging, cooking, crafting, drawing, or other creative projects, you'll find the product link in the description below. A great-looking video isn't only about camera quality. The way your camera is positioned can completely change how your audience experiences your content. A stable overhead angle creates a cleaner, more engaging presentation, and that's exactly what this mounting system is designed to deliver. The ARKON mount's overhead phone mount offers a practical solution for creators who need a reliable top-down recording setup. Instead of dealing with bulky tripods or trying to balance your phone using makeshift stands, this mount keeps your device securely suspended above your workspace, giving you a clear and consistent overhead view. This setup is ideal for a wide range of creative activities. Whether you're decorating cookies, preparing recipes, sketching, painting, assembling DIY projects, reviewing products, building models, or recording educational tutorials, the overhead perspective lets viewers clearly follow every movement from beginning to end. One of the most impressive aspects of this mount is its stability. Smooth footage is essential for creating professional-looking videos, and unwanted camera movement can quickly reduce production quality. The sturdy arm and dependable clamping system help keep your smartphone firmly in position, minimizing vibrations during recording. Flexibility is another major advantage. The adjustable arm allows you to change both the height and the viewing angle, making it easy to capture either a complete workspace or detailed close-up shots. This adaptability makes the mount suitable for different types of projects without requiring additional equipment. Compatibility also plays an important role. The mount is designed to support many popular smartphones, making it a convenient option for creators using different devices. Whether you're filming with your current phone or upgrading in the future, the mount is built to remain useful for years to come. For cooking channels, the overhead angle creates a natural viewing experience. Every ingredient, preparation step, and finishing touch remains visible, making recipes easier to understand while giving your videos a polished appearance. Artists, illustrators, and craft enthusiasts will appreciate having both hands free throughout the creative process. Instead of constantly adjusting the camera, you can focus entirely on your work while the mount maintains a perfectly centered view of your project. Cookie decorating videos become even more satisfying to watch when intricate icing details are captured from directly above. The stable positioning allows every design element to remain sharp and easy to follow, helping viewers enjoy the entire decorating process. The addition of Pico projector support increases the mount's versatility even further. It can assist with tracing artwork, displaying reference images, projecting instructional material, or enhancing creative presentations, making it much more than a simple smartphone holder. Another benefit is the time you'll save during every recording session. Once you've found your preferred camera angle, you can begin filming almost immediately without repeatedly repositioning tripods or making constant adjustments. This streamlined workflow allows you to spend more time creating content and less time setting up equipment. Consistent framing also helps establish a professional visual style across your videos. Stable overhead footage creates a cleaner presentation that keeps viewers focused on your content rather than distracting camera movement. Whether you're producing recipe videos, craft tutorials, educational lessons, repair demonstrations, unboxing videos, product showcases, live streams, or creative workshops, this overhead mounting system adapts to many different recording situations with ease. Overall, the ARKON mount's remarkable Creator Cookie Decorator, overhead phone mount, and Pico projector mount is a dependable accessory for creators who value stability, flexibility, and convenience. Its thoughtful design makes overhead filming simpler while helping produce polished, high-quality videos that are enjoyable to watch. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications for more reviews covering the latest creator accessories, filming equipment, and innovative gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.